Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change date format in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? It's pretty simple. Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change the date format in FreshBooks. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel where you have a couple of options which include dashboard, client, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, project, time tracking, accounting reports, and of course you have apps, you have team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. I would like you to head over to settings and click settings, and the settings window is going to be open. Now you have a couple of categories with features beneath them. You have the business profile, and you have all of this information about your business, the basic information, the tax and financial information, brand appearance, email customization, and notification. And if you scroll the way down, you have the connections and integrations. So of course you have advanced preferences. So head over to the business profile category, and the first thing you're going to find is basic information. So go ahead and click on basic information, and it takes you here. So this is the basic information: your business name, your business phone, your mobile number, your country, all the way down to town and city, state or province. You have postal code, and you have business time zone, and you have stat week on, and you have date format. So go ahead and click on the date formats. Click this drop down icon over here, and you have an option, a wide array of options. You have this, the date month, the date month here. You have the date dot month dot year. You have the month date here. You have the year month dates. You have however you choose. So let's say we want to go with this one, and then you just click on that. And once you change the date format, go ahead and click on the save changes button. And once you click on save changes button, you see that basic information updated, meaning that your date format has been changed. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.